Afternoon all, lovely to be here. So I'm just going to give you an introduction to our company and explain about some of the roles that we have on offer down here in Cork in particular at the moment. So my name is Paul Keller, I'm the EHS Director with STS. So the full agenda just for this talk, it's about an introduction to STS Group, our presence in Cork, what we can offer, the job opportunities in Cork and how to apply if any of them are suitable for you. So just a little bit of an overview about the company. We were established in 2006. We're based out of Waterford, but we have offices in Ireland within Dublin and Cork and right throughout Europe and the Middle East. So we're working in 12 different countries at the moment. We have about 1,600 people working for us, and these are spread across the 12 different countries that we're working in at the minute. So we're an electrical engineering company, and our speciality is electrical and instrumentation. So the type of clients that we would work for then would be in the pharmaceutical sector, data centre, energy and commercial type work as well. So just to give you a flavour of some of these type of clients then, as I said, they're predominantly life sciences and what we call mission critical type clients. So that's some of them are a lot of them here in Cork. Janssen, which is Johnson & Johnson, Merck Millipore, Pfizer's, and then companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, etc. in the data center sector. So really they're kind of what you call your blue chip clients really. Some of them are in the room here as well today, some people from Johnson & Johnson, etc., Bosch and Lomb. We would have worked with these type companies over the last number of years. So we're fully committed to our health and safety and environmental standards and quality standards too. So we're ISO accredited, so for 45,001 for safety, 14,001 for environmental and 9,001 for quality. So just to tell you a little bit more about our presence here in Cork. So we've been operating in the Cork region for almost 10 years now, and our clients include some of the most reputable and recognisable blue chip international multinational clients in the Cork region. So as I said, the majority of these are in the life sciences sector. So our current clients and our current projects actually in Cork here at the moment are Janssen Biologics, Janssen Pharmaceuticals, Pfizer's, Merck Millipore, AbbVie, Leo Pharmaceutical and Kerry Group. So we're also very much focused on growing our Cork business as well. So we've opened a new office at the moment in Little Island in County Cork. As I said, and that's very much with the goal of growing further what we already have here in Cork. So a little bit about what we can hopefully offer potential candidates. So we have a very strong pipeline of projects in Cork for the next number of years here. We've got visibility on projects out until 2024. Like really we're a contracts-based company. So when I say electrical engineering, all of these clients that I talk about here today, be it pharmaceutical or data centre, when they build a new facility, they'd engage a company such as us to come in and do the electrical fit out of these facilities. And then we'd have ongoing works within these type of facilities as well, electrical maintenance type works. So, as I said, we have a strong pipeline of projects in Cork for the next number of years. So really what we can offer is long-term work, great job security then for these type positions, local work as well. We're really focused on trying to get what we're called their Cork jobs for Cork people or people that have newly moved to Cork or the surrounding counties and that if you're commutable. Like we're really trying to focus on getting these type of people for our jobs here in Cork. So like they're excellent salaries, or if you're an electrician, like they're based on hourly rates because they're trade positions which are tied to unions here in Ireland. So we'd offer good support and continuous professional development as well at all levels of the business. That could be an electrician or a support function as well. And I'll tell you a little bit about some of these positions later. There's also what we'd see a lot of opportunity in the company as well for progression. We're a young company. We're only in the go since 2006, but we've about 1,600 people working for us at the minute. And as I said earlier, we're working across 12 different countries at the minute, from Europe to the Middle East. So whilst we would engage a lot of people through our Irish business, there's a huge opportunity to travel in as well to a lot of these countries where we do these projects. And that's something that a lot of people really like about joining companies such as us. Whilst you might start out your career with us here in Ireland, you could end up working anywhere across the world, you know. So especially a lot of young people would have used it as a stepping stone to go and travel and also get paid to work. So huge benefits like that. So just to tell you a little bit about the roles that we have here in Cork at the minute. So predominantly, as I said, what we do is we build electrical installations within these type of facilities that I'm talking about, pharmaceuticals and data centres and that. So that's qualified electricians, and there mightn't be a lot of electricians maybe inside the room here today, but you might know people, you know what I mean? You might be living with a person, family, friends, neighbours that are electricians as well. So what I'd urge people as well, if a role here that you're seeing in front of you doesn't necessarily fit your skill set and so on, you might know somebody and tell them about it. You know, we'd greatly appreciate that. So what we'd also have is what we call apprentice electricians. So that's people in training. So that's anything like from first year to fourth year. It's a 4-year cycle in Ireland to get trained as an electrician. And a lot of people that I spoke to here today as well actually don't have a career at the moment. They could be coming out of school, they could be coming out of college, wanting to change career paths, etc. Companies like us are very open to these type of people as well. I myself was from a construction background for about 10 years. I went back to college at night and did health and safety, which is 13 years ago now when I started my career in health and safety. Now I'm the EHS director of this company. So people can get into different careers at different stages of their life. So it's very important that, as I said, anybody that's here today that's potentially even looking for a career change or something, it's never too late as well to change. I myself changed when I was 28, changed my path. Wasn't quite happy in what I was originally doing. Now I'm very much content in the role that I'm in and moving into the sector that I've moved into. So that's one thing I just, from a personal point of view, that like to communicate out to people as well today, because it's something I'd hear a lot through my own job as well, people changing jobs and that. So I'd say embrace whatever you want to do anyway. Some of the other roles at dinners will be general operatives. We'd have a lot of GO positions within the company as well. Then electrical supervisors. There's all types of electrical supervisors, from maybe a project manager to supervisor, foreman, charge hand. There's different scales of it essentially. We'd have a lot of quality positions as well, QA, QC. And again, you mightn't necessarily need to be from an electrical background to have a quality position with us, or some of the other positions that I'll talk about here, health and safety, etc., which is in my own field. I'm not from an electrical background, but I still managed to manage a health and safety department for an electrical company. So skills can very easily be transferable from one role to another role as well, so something to bear in mind as well. We'd have a lot of type of safety type of positions as well, not traditionally even your HSE, but you'll see stuff here called electrical energy marshal or lotto coordinator, lockout, tagout, etc. Whilst you very much need an electrical qualification for these, some of these other roles then we'd have E&I technicians, electrical engineers of all types as well, from junior right up to experienced type people. Quantity surveying is another thing at the minute where finding it very difficult to get people. And again, quantity surveying is one of these ones as well where you don't necessarily need an electrical background to be a quantity surveyor. Also, estimators. That's the people basically that calculate how we're going to put a price on a project that we're going to hopefully win. Health and safety officers and planners, schedulers and that. So, as I said earlier, we're an electrical company, but all of these type of functions here, they're what I'd call support functions of how we build one of these type of projects. So it's very varied, really. So what I would definitely like to get the message out here to everyone as well, if you don't see something here that's suitable for yourself, please bear in mind maybe there's someone that you know that would be suitable for one of these type of roles. We're very much focused at the moment on a lot of these Cork positions that I was telling you about earlier, but also if you feel like something out in Europe or beyond the Middle East, etc., we also have a lot of positions available at the minute. So, how to apply? Our stand is down here on the left-hand side. We've got some brochures down there as well that feel free to pop by, pick up the brochure and that. But essentially, if you have any interest in any of these positions that I spoke about here today, email to careers@STS Group and advise of the role that you're interested in, and one of our talent team would make contact with you then. They'll have a look at the CVs, basically see is there a skill set on the CV that's suitable for some of the positions that we would have, and we would make contact with you. Or also have a look at our website, www.stsgroup.ie. All of the positions that we have available are available on the website. And as I said, it's broken out across all of the different countries that we work in. So have a look. That's basically it for me. So thanks for the time. If anybody would want to ask any questions, I'd be more than happy to hopefully answer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.